Winter may have crashed the party, but Carnival planners doubling down on an even more successful season in 2026. Xodus never at a loss for Carnival content.
After Melissa, we need something to celebrate. We need something to look forward to, and I'm hoping that a lot of people look at Carnival as an opportunity for that.
Naughty and well, almost naked, and an early peek at Carnival costumes.
We have to get back to work.
Since November, storm clouds slow to dissipate, but with a new Carnival season on the horizon, it's now or never for Xodus. The fallout from Melissa set to drag on, but positive projections the order of the day. Xodus' management team of Kamal Banki, Pierre Goubeau and Jess anticipating a sold-out carnival next April.
How much has Melissa changed the game for party promoters and event planners?
It's rewired what people think of as important, because when you saw people literally lose their homes, their livelihood, everything, it changes a part in your brain to be like, okay, now I'm trying to move from here to there, but now I have to start from here. And those are brothers and sisters of ours, our countrymen and women in Jamaica. We had to coordinate and organize carpooling and large drop-offs. That's how much we want to help our brothers and sisters. But what was also more important is the reverse rewiring to say, okay, that has happened. What do we need to do from our standpoint in our industry to help to support that? And we have to support the tourism industry, put Brand Jamaica forward, support the events industry, get corporate Jamaica to support it, and everybody plays a role in the ecosystem, and that's super important.
The economy has to get up and go, but are people in the mood to celebrate, you feel?
It's not only about celebration. Going out and attending an event is not only just about celebration. It is about doing what you like, what you love, what you're passionate about, what you believe in. And those are all aspects that we support when we support the entertainment industry.
Is the look this year pretty much what it was last year? What has really changed for costumes?
Absolutely not. We make sure that every single year we're improving. So last year we went ahead and we listened to what you said. You want an even bigger backpack, so we went even bigger. We have 4 backpack variations this year. And the largest backpack is huge. And then it scales down to going all the way down to small in terms of bodies. We did keep the same variations that we had yesterday in offering 4 different body options. Making sure we have 2 options, a coverage option as well as a skimpy option in 2-piece as well as 1-piece. But we also made sure that there's adjustments so we can have an even better fit this year.
What's going to be in store for revelers jumping in Xodus this season?
Best DJs internationally, locally, live performances. This year we're actually adding some new tricks to our trucks, so you can actually have a self-serve area. So that for wait on the bartenders, you can get Campari served at your fingertips and plus other products.
The question now is, Melissa, of course, is it going to have a cooling effect on Carnival, or do you think people are in the mood to celebrate?
I mean, most naturally the sentiment now, everybody is a little weary, but I think as the new year comes, everybody can be a little bit more excited. Our launch today will prove that, we're in motion, we're ready to produce Carnival for next year. There's nothing holding us back. Everything is in place, and Xodus is working hard to ensure a great Carnival experience on April 12th.
Earlier you had said that, you've been to 7 carnivals this year. What makes Jamaica Carnival so special, and what makes Xodus the band for you to jump with?
I would say the people, the vibes, the culture, the tourism products, what we have to offer, the roads, the fact that we have the most beautiful women in the world is also a strong point. And Xodus will continue to just keep raising the bar, giving you a higher level of entertainment, better DJs, better performances, better experiences. It's the confetti here today. You're going to see way more things on the road next year.
Xodus has been around for many years now. Who jumps with Xodus? What's the brand profile you feel?
Everybody. Xodus is here to provide an option for everybody that wants to be in Carnival. Whether you are a plus size or slim, every shade, skin tone of person, we have a costume that fits and works for you. We have costumes mainly for females, but we have male costumes as well. So anybody who wants to participate, there's something there for you, even a t-shirt. So we welcome everybody to Carnival in Jamaica.